welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into ChainOpera AI and its $COAI token, exploring how you can potentially buy it. We'll be touching on crypto coins, ChainOpera itself, the MEXC exchange, the recent TGE, and the underlying blockchain technology, particularly BNB and BSC. ETs start with defining what ChainOpera AI, $COAI, actually is. It's a project with a specific vision, integrating blockchain and AI, and offering various potential use cases and applications. Understand $COAI, we'll examine its tokenomics including the supply, distribution, and allocation, as well as its utility within the ChainOpera ecosystem and the potential benefits of holding it. Crucially, we'll also provide the contract address on the BNB chain or BSC network. Let's get into the step-by-step process of buying $COAI, concentrating on listed exchanges such as MEXC, covering the prerequisites you'll need, like a crypto wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and some BNB for transactions. We'll look at the detailed steps on how to buy $COAI on MEXC, starting with creating an account, completing KYC verification, depositing BNB, and finally, trading BNB for $COAI. We'll also mention alternative methods if available, like other exchanges or decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and highlight important considerations like slippage, gas fees, and security. Focusing on MEXC, we'll give you an overview of the platform, show you how to find the $COAI trading pair, discuss the difference between using limit orders and market orders, help you understand the trading interface, and offer tips for effectively trading $COAI. We'll recap the ChainOpera AI TGE, discussing the initial price and distribution, the impact of the TGE on the project, and how to participate in future events, if any. We'll discuss ChainOpera AI's presence on the BNB/BSC blockchain, explaining what the BNB Smart Chain is, why ChainOpera AI chose BSC, the benefits of using it like low fees and fast transactions, and how to add BSC to MetaMask or Trust Wallet for seamless interaction with the $COAI token. It's important to understand that cryptocurrency investments come with potential risks, so we'll explore the volatility inherent in crypto, emphasize the importance of doing your own research, recommend security best practices for storing $COAI, and highlight potential risks associated with new projects. Staying updated is key, so we'll point you to the official website and social media channels, community forums and groups, and underscore the importance of following official announcements to avoid scams and misinformation. In conclusion, we've covered the essentials of ChainOpera AI and its $COAI token. We encourage you to conduct further research and explore the platform, remembering that this is not financial advice. We welcome you to join the ChainOpera AI community. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.